Hi. Goodness. Hi, welcome to Tamara's Lunchbox, Friday edition. Get your dancing shoes. Now, we will have to be careful. We cannot dance longer than 10 seconds. Probably need to do it in 9 seconds because the little song I use, the little Charlie Brown people dancing and the Peanut song, I can't go over 10 seconds. You know, I really don't think the people that, first of all, wrote the song, the music, whatever you want to call it, would mind me dancing to it, but that's fine. That's fine. We will not dance more than 10 seconds. We cannot have more than 10 seconds of fun, okay? All right. Now, so you got your shoes tied? All right, and let's dance. I got it right on 1 minute, so now we will know. That's it, that's it. Cut off, cut off. It's 10 seconds, that's all you can do. Y'all, that aggravated me. I got a message on about my video last Friday that it's got that the song was copyrighted because we went 10.2 seconds. 10.2. Yeah. Whatever. Just trying to have a little fun. That's all we're trying to do on a Friday. That's it. That's it. We didn't hurt anybody. We didn't harm anything. But that's okay. We got it in. We will make sure from now on. I got some M&Ms again. My vitamins. Some crunchy Cheetos. And a turkey sandwich. A turkey sandwich. Okay. So yeah. So I was like, okay, well, we're still going to dance. We're just going to shorten our dance. But we're going to do what we want. We just have to be careful. Okay. Oh, I was going to get me a little plate. I forgot all about it. Y'all, I got distracted. Well, let's do this one. We'll do the pink one. And we'll put everything on here. And I'll get a picture of that. How about that? That work? That works for me. Okay. My bag's out of the way. Okay, here we go. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. We'll do it like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Good picture. Keep it up. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Okay. Let's eat. What are you having? Really? I like that. It sounds good. That's pretty good. Next week, I'm going to take some vacation days again. Because, you know, I got to blow them. We're not going anywhere, not doing much. But Kristin gets her license on Tuesday. So I'll take a little video of that. Then Saturday, I'll get my hair done next week. Not tomorrow, next week. I think that's all we got going on. It was just her, the big thing was her license. So I haven't quite made my mind up because she did not take off but one day next week. So she's got to work. But her schedule's not too bad. So I may have some lunch videos next week and I may not. We'll see. Because it's just going to depend on what I'm doing. Because, you know, I don't have my vehicle back yet. And we'll talk about that. But, so I might be stuck at the house for a little bit. But I'm thinking on when she goes to work, I'm thinking about having her drive me to the pool in our neighborhood. Drop me off. She can go to work. I can hang out by the pool. And when I'm ready, I can walk home. Because it'll be less than 30 minutes for me to walk home. And I get my exercise. So I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. That should be fun. So we'll have to see. Because I haven't really made up my mind what I'm eating either. So I need to get on. But anyway. So my vehicle. They called yesterday. And it's the front driver side wheel. It's going to have a sensor put on it, a replacement sensor. And a wheel bearing, I think's what Brian's. I don't know. It gets too complicated for me. But they do not have the sensor in stock. It had to be ordered. So they said 2 to 5 days for that to get to the shop. Well, 2 days would be Monday. 5 days would be Thursday. So that's why I'm saying I'll have Kristin drop me off. But gonna be $925. So whatever. I guess it happens. I was picking with Brian. I said, I got to think about something. I said, I've had a Camaro. Oh, I had a bad Camaro. Boy, that thing was pretty. I don't have any pictures of it with me. I'll tell you what. This I'll put a picture of one that looks like it right here. If I can find one close enough to it. I had a Camaro first. Then I got my 2003 Jeep Cherokee. Then I got a 2007 Jeep Cherokee. You know what? Let's start over. My first one was a black Camaro. Because I want y'all to see the trend. A black Camaro. a 2003 Jeep Cherokee. It was slate blue is what it was called, because they didn't have a black one. 2007 black Grand Cherokee. Then I had a, well, really wasn't mine, but I started driving it. Chevy Tahoe, black Chevy Tahoe. I had a neon Bug, Volkswagen Bug. I need my other hand, y'all. Goodness. I didn't think it'd been that many. Another 2007 black Grand Cherokee. Now this one was 4x4. To my 2012 black Grand Cherokee. 42 years old. I've had 7 vehicles. Is that good? What is that? That seems like something I should be able to, you know. So, according to the math, 42 years old. Well, not really, because I didn't buy the first one until I was 20. Also, that's even less. Well, I was 19. All right, so let's start over. 19. So in 23 years, because I'm 42 now. So 23 years, I've had 7 vehicles. So about every 3.28571428571428.6 years, I got rid of my vehicles. That's how long I kept them. However that works out. Anyway, my point to all this. I said, I never changed tires on a vehicle until the 2007 Grand Cherokee. Number 6. Vehicle number 6 is the first set of tires I actually had to put on a vehicle. Now, I am replacing sensors, wheel bearings, put 3 sets of tires on this one. I said, look what you have done to me. I used to have brand new vehicles all the time. All the time. Every 3 point, whatever. I got a new vehicle. Now look. And he started laughing. Because Brian has the same Xterra. When we started dating, when I met him, he has the same vehicle. When we met, I was driving the Tahoe. That would have been the Tahoe. Yeah. Then I had my Bug. Then, yeah. So since I've known Brian, I've had 4 vehicles. He's had 1. But, you know, there's some of us that just like different things. No, honestly, I like it better now. What I have now, I have a paid off vehicle. Yeah, it's costing me right now, but it's also 10 years old. It doesn't look it, but it does cost. It costs things, so it is. 10 years old now. I've never had a 10-year-old vehicle. Even my 07 Jeep was not, when I had it, it was not 10 years old. Because I sold it in 2016. Because that's when I got my 2012. So, this is the oldest vehicle I've ever had. Prettiest one. Got every amenity there is out there. But it is the oldest one. So I have to come to terms with the fact it's going to cost me here and there. But I'm not making a payment every month. That's how you have to look at it. It is paid off. But boy, that would suck. Sit there and make a payment and then have to fork out $925. Ugh, I'd be sick. So you have to take one for the other. But whatever. Okay. But it is pretty funny though that I've had that many vehicles. Because for me, it was just normal. It was just what I did. Every couple of years, I got rid of a vehicle. But anyway, messy. Messy, messy. Okay. Well, I hope y'all have a great rest of your Friday. And like I said, I'll be on Tammycation next week. That's funny. But yeah. So there might be some lunch videos, there might not. We'll see. There will be a video of Kristin getting her license. We will do that. She may not like it, but it's what your mama wants, little girl, so it's gonna happen. She'll like that when she watches the video. But yeah, so we'll do that, and then we'll go from there. So, but I hope y'all have a great weekend. Hope you have a good rest of your Friday. And I guess I will see you back here in a couple days. Because Tuesday's when she gets her license, so should be Tuesday. Look for a video on Tuesday, if all goes well. So, but until then, until I see you again, I wish you well. And if you get to missing me, you got all these videos. You can go back and watch. And then I'll return. But y'all have a good rest of your Friday, a great weekend, and a great week next week if I don't see you. And then I guess I'll see you the following Monday. But y'all take care. May the peace of the Lord be with you until I see you again. And have a great week. Bye.